Okay, so I got pretty much one thing from the spiral thing. It's something we wanted to get, but I thought it had something else in it. It has a thought it had something I wanted in it, but whatever. Oh God, I would go shopping the day Jesus Christ, that's a small thing. 10-in-1 survival kit. Let's see what's in it. I'm probably gonna kit bash this anyway. Yeah. By the way, it is branded with Ozark logo. Let me get these paracord pieces off because oh my God, I just got back. I was shopping and oh my God, my knee is hurting. Also, why do you little kids insist on just screeching? No reason. No reason to screech. So yeah, actually I should have the box. And yes, I would have to cut my nails when I buy something like this. Right? I mean, they weren't long. They were like this. Yeah. God. Oh my God. This thing is not going. You know what? You know what? Yeah. Oh, also I got this to eat. About to eat it too. Come on. Anyway. Gee. Of course it will be, So yeah, first and foremost you get the whistle. This is a really good whistle. Carabiner. Let's hope this one is actually more better. Holy crap! Oh my God. Oh my God. You see that? Oh my God. I like this knife. See? That Gordon, that's what you do. Of course, it's Ozark branded. And it is light, which I like. So yeah. You have this. I'm not gonna use it ever. Paracord bracelet, which I have like 2 of these since I have a thing. Fill rod and oh, it has a commander. Okay, so what's in it? Let me just show you what's in it on the back. Just this. Right. I like it. I mean, this is going to be really used because I know this is Ozark Trail branded, which is great. The thing I'm going to... You know what I could do, actually? Oh, no, I can't because it's not like the one I have. Yeah, this is a really good whistle, though. Aluminum whistle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She love you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Love you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Trying to get it back to what it was, Has a little thing. Do I need something like this? Oh, actually, I can show. Wait, do I? Can I? Yes, I can. Okay. Say you have one of these, right? And I can actually show you this. Wow, you would fucking do that. Let me wipe it off. My God, days have not been going my way today, boy. Ooh. That's okay. So yeah, say I want to put this on the thing. So what I do is do this, right? Do this, right? Have it in between, bam. And then bam. This is basically how you do it. Use it. It does have the Velcro in the thing, so you can put it on thing. Yeah, this is what I would use it for. For these type of bottles, like a Nalgene bottle or whatever. I just would. Do I have use for it? Yeah. It'd be good just to carry some cordage or whatever. So, yeah. Okay, so this goes right here. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I like this knife. I like that. It does have serrations too, but usually the serration ones have better flip, Shoot, I might just use this knife. for survival. I do have my little thing in my bag. I did get groceries and all that. So yeah. No, I'm not gonna wear this one to have two on each hand. Sorry, this is more of a emergency thing. I'm pretty sure. Wait, let me test out the little thing. I've been taking too much. A little bit like that. But luckily, I'm only using it for the fill rod, pretty much. Actually, I should do that. Do that, you know. Would this actually? Yes, this would actually go in my hand. I've been taking too much. Oh, if you want to get it on your hand like this, you just do this. And so I'll have the other one. I prefer the. This is okay. So basically, same thing. Both of these are the same exact thing. This one's green. This one's yeah. This one has more stuff on it. Yeah. It does. Okay, so yes, it does have one of those like. I've got the Pocket Rescue Tool cards. And it has the blanket I'm going to keep in here because I don't have a blanket. Because yeah, I do have a blanket in the. And I threw it over here. And you see, I do have the blanket right here. The more lighter one, that is from the SOL kit I had. But yeah. God, let me try to get all this back in here. My little, oh my God, I love this. I love that. That is how a knife should be. Cheap and expensive. Right? Oh, hey, I caught a fish. I should fillet it now. Bam. I'm in love with it. This knife, I prefer. Oh, it's in there. You see, the one from Gordon, this goes like... You have to... That's dangerous. You want a knife that goes like that. Straight up. Like that. Oh, well, I just cut myself for some reason. Look at... Oh, God. Where's my first aid kit? Oh, God. I have a first aid kit somewhere. Oh! Oh, my God. Actually, I do. Huh. Actually, just something there I'm going to get. I guess I cut myself when I did something, but it's okay. Especially like that. First you clean it. And dry it. Right? Then you put alcohol on it. Right? You do that. That's what you do. Then you put a bandage on it. I should have a bandage somewhere. Like, what's my small? My small. What? I have one some. Oh my God, which bag is it? Oh, it's. Anyway, yeah. It has water bottle hook, locking carabiner, commando saw, paracord bracelet compass, folding knife, which thank God that's a good one. Multifunctional core tool, a pocket rescue tool. Wait, actually, no, I want to see if this actually has what I want in it. Yes, oh my God, this is. Oh my God, this is gonna cut. Oh my God, this is actually a good one of these. Oh my God. Oh no, seriously, I have a knife. Was it a thing? Oh my God, where is it? Where's one? Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. God, where is it? Okay, here we go. And as you see, you can do that, but whatever. Where is a better thing I can do? Here's some paper. Let me get two things of paper because there's two sides to this. Okay. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh my God, that was playing at, see if you can actually, there's two sides to this. First, let's see this side. Wait, wow, the cordage is loose as heck. But yeah, this is like, wow, this is actually a heavier quality one. Jesus. Yeah, it'll cut. See if this will cut. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking. Yeah, it will cut. So this will be good as a backup little knife thing. Let's give it the best chance it will. Yeah, it'll cut. It will cut. I'm gonna keep this in here. It's a cheap one. It's kind of a heavy one. And then Commando saw, which I'm gonna use as a. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use this as a snare. Well, this is actually a heavy duty one. This is actually a heavy one. It's actually stainless steel. Nice. Daddy like. Yes, I do. Huh. I do. Huh. I think I can do this here. Usually gaskets have like oil or grease on them, but these don't. Nice. Actually, probably not always. Oh wait, no, I could do. I could do this. I could do this right here. Oh me, I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh me. Wow. But yeah, it does have this also. But it does have the what do you call it? That. Honestly, it's actually a good little just side kit. I would just use this though for like main knife. So yeah. That's actually a good knife. My God, I like that. I love that one. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's do that. Oh, me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh, me. This will actually close. Yeah, it should be able to close, I guess. If I get it where I need to be. Oh, God. I gotta get this where I need to be. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh, man. Yeah, if I do this, it should. Oh my God. How did I get. Oh my God, I did not even. No, it's okay. Actually, I could take some of the stuff out anyway, because I'm going to use this for something. Not. I'm going to. I believe you could do whatever. So, yeah. I've been thinking too much. Oh, wait, maybe this. No, this one right here, probably. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh, man. Yeah. So let me put some of the stuff under here. There's a little bit of room under here for some stuff. Either way. Yeah, this should work now. You know exactly what these are. This is the same bell rod you'll find and everything else. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh, man. Oh, God, let me get all this. Oh, my God, how am I going to get all this in there? This, oh, my God, I hate this. And let this one like that. This right here. 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 Okay, got it back in. Yeah, I think it was like, I don't know how much it would cost, but it costs enough. So, yeah. Oh my God. Oh. Anyway, Postbox File. It was like Wasteland. God bless and peace.